Hello guys, welcome back to lesson 3. So lesson 3, we've secured our footwork, we've secured our stance and guard. Now it's time to move on to our first punch, the jab. With the jab, you'll be teaching jab to the head, jab to the body, and also 2 defences that you can use towards the jab. Let's have a look how that looks. Week 3, and it's our first punch, the most important punch in boxing, the jab. The jab is used to find range and to distract opponents. And it looks like this. How do we break it down to our pupils? Okay, there's 4 steps. It's called hip, extend, rotate, return. And it looks like this. So, your boxers are in their stance, and remember, we're using our front arm. You will teach both ways, so you might do southpaw or orthodox, but for this video I'll be doing it this way. So you turn your hip, you extend your arm, rotate your wrist and return it to your face so you're back into your guard position. Again from the side, you rotate your hip, extend your arm, rotate your wrist and return it to your face. Again in fast motion. Another good coaching point if you want to push your pupils on is when they're in that position, that shoulder there should be covering their chin. That way you're delivering it perfectly. Get your pupils to practice that with the pads. One's wearing the pads, one wearing the gloves. Hip. Everyone turn the hip. So get into your stance and turn your hip. Then you extend your arm. You rotate your wrist and you return it to your face. Why do I return it to my face? So I can protect myself. There's no point jabbing like this if I don't bring it back to my face. So we'll go through it one more time. Hip, extend, rotate, return. Whenever practicing the jab to a body or any punch to the body, your pads should be set up like this. One just above your face and one just above your belly. Okay guys, remember, it's just one hand. As in cardio. Push your weak hand. This hand works, so can we put this one up front? Move your feet. Swap your feet over. That's it. And then just punch with this hand. Hands up for me, Mark. Lovely. Better. Good, well done. Next step in this lesson is jab to the body. Remind your pupils that the head is not the only place obviously you would aim for if you was doing it as a professional boxer. So, one step you need to change to the hip, extend, rotate, return is dip. You add dip to the beginning. So all you have to do is you dip first, turn your hip, extend your arm, rotate your wrist and return. Key point there on the return, you stand up. Please point it out to your pupils. Obviously, if I return it and stay here, I leave myself open to just be jabbed away by my opponent. Again, from the side, it's a dip, hip, extend, rotate, return. There we go. Right. The first defence that we're going to learn is the standard block. Very easy to teach. What you do is you get your pupils into their guard, and then what they'll be doing is literally just turning their wrists like this. So their partners will be throwing really slow jabs or slow crosses at them, and you'll just be turning the wrist like this. That is all it is. It's just to protect your face, you will turn your wrist. That is the standard block. Okay, the next defence is the layback. You may have seen some of this in the introduction video with myself and another teacher teaching this to the pupils. How you break this down again is you get your pupils into their guard, and a key thing you need to point out is it's not this, okay? It's not, you are not leaning back. As the defendant, you are not leaning back. So how you teach this is, you bend your back knee. So in your guard position, you just bend your back knee, and this is called the layback. From the side, bend your back knee, and that is the layback.